Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can find a coin before it will pump on bybit. So without waste of time, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. I'm going to introduce you to something new to you. It is something that you have been seeing but you haven't been attentive. So from this day onward, or from now onward, you're going to start paying attentive and see how profitable you're going to be as a beginner or as a professional trader on bybit. So let's quickly dive into that without waste of time. Now this is what you just need to do. If you pay your attention clearly here, you can see there is a hot, there is new as well, there is gainers, there is also losers, and there is also a turnover. Alright, there's also a turnover. So when you navigate yourself to the top here, you see a lot of coins being advertised there with fire sign. This advertisement shows you that these very coins will be pumping very hard, or it will be taking some percentage in pumping in the nearest time, in either 28 hours or 48 hours. So trading cryptocurrency, you must be patient, and also you must have a reasonable capital, right? Like 100 USD or 50 USD minimum, That is on an occasion that you really want to make a profit. So if you click on this turnover, you're going to see some few coins here that consistently goes up and down, that are highly flexible. Okay, so any coin you choose here, you can see that those coin has been just up and down. You can see this, it was up here, it went down here, came back up, down, up, down, up. This is how it will keep going. You can see all right. So choosing your trading coin from this turnover is also a wise idea. But what I really want us to look at today is this place called the hot. Navigate yourself right there, and also this search bar where advertisement is going on. So you're going to click on this see all. If you click on this see all, you're going to roll down. Now this is what you should be attentive about. Okay, after clicking on see all, you can see here, you can see this place, it's catching a fire. You can see this place, ETH catching a fire. You can see SOL, SRP, USDC, MNT, ARB, and many more of it. You can see H, this, you can see paper. Wow. You can see seal, no, minus seal. You can see with SPK, link, and many more of this. So you can see this ETH is currently taking a plus 2%. So each time you see a coin with this particular sign of pumping, which is a sign of fire, it shows that this coin will come up in a soon time, maximum 48 hours. So the only thing you just need to do is to look at the coin and check it carefully where it is best for you to invest. Then invest and be patient, and patiently wait for it to take some positivity movement. Then you can sell and look for another coin to invest on for profit. Okay, now this is the ETH, you have seen it. Now let's look at this let's look at this HFT. You can see HFT have already taken a very huge directions upward. You can see it kept moving up, it kept going. So this is to tell you that all those coins you've seen with this sign of fire, they are actually doing well. They are actually doing well. Okay, now look at this search bar button here. You can see a lot of coins displaying there, and most of these coins are actually those coins from this hot session. You can see the bomb, you can see the SPK, you can see we also them at the what at the hot section. You can see the Sahara against USDT, you can see the ZO against USDT, and many more of them. You can see the H. We saw all of this there. Okay, we saw all of this there. You can look at search for this particular bomb. So you'll be searching until you see something that you're going to take you to another level. Like now, from here now you can buy this bomb. And purchasing this bomb from this very place will make you a huge profit. Definitely. Because as you are seeing it there, looking at it, 24 hours movement, it 24 hour low, and it 24 hours turnover, it shows that yes, this is going to take a new directions from this very place to another level of positivity. Okay, so going back there, you can see a lot of other coin searches, which is ZO. Let's look at this ZO again. Looking at this ZO, you can see it has a very high negativity, which has recorded minus 12%. It is also a very good coin for you to invest on, and make sure you cash out when you see profit and wait for another round of opportunity. Okay, it's a good something that you can buy from here. You can see. So most of those coins that Bybit advertise, don't kid with them. With them, a huge profit lies. You can see XRP has taken a very good dimension and is also going further again. So don't joke with these advertisement sessions, and don't joke with this hot, and don't joke with anything that has a sign of fire here, because that is where the profit lies. Alright, so this brings me to the end of this amazing video. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Do not forget to like, and also do not forget to share for a lot of people to gain value from this. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. In this very place, I'll be bringing you a lot of strategic analysis and also a lot of local analysis that will enable you to double your USDT to another volume. Alright, so thank you so much. I will be stopping here and I will see you in my next class. Bye.